Right, let's freaking go right now.
Ok, praticamente non l'ho spiegato, ma gioco a Power Drill Massacre. Che è low-key tipo Scariest Game of All Time, by the way.
Yo, I can use the phone. Yes. While climbing up a mountain. Ok. Questo gioco dicono che sia pretty freaking scary, you know? This is pretty boring. Right, so, yo! Menu of camera. Cinematic, orbital, first perspective. First look. Look, he's scary as crap. Oh my god. Let's go. Ish. Whoa, whoa! Oh no, wrong glitch. King glitch. King glitch as hell. Oof. Who is this? You. Oh my god, boring ass game. Just hate over it. Right, right. Oof, oof. Climb. Press E. Climb. I'm freaking climbing. Posso shiftarmi? Hell. Who's that? A little soul up there. What the fuck? A little soul. Oh, right, è scomparso. Right, it's getting pretty scary, I must say. It's getting pretty freaking scary. Alright, e non c'è più la freaking soul. Glitch. Right. This place seems very scary. Who the heck would live over here? Yo! What? Alex on fire or something shit? I don't know. Ok, andiamo di qua. This crap looks freaking scary. The door is open. Oh my god, oh my god. Yes. What a creepy building. Yo, Megan, you're spitting freaking facts right now. Oh my god, bro. I gotta find Jeff. My name's Jeff. Somebody locked me in. Oh my god, what is this? This shit. Whoa! I hear a freaking sound. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, the three locks with splotches of paint. Blue, green, and freaking red as heck. Oh my god. Oh, oh! Allora, era la mia torcia. Gonna puke, bro. I hate this game. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Is this? No. Nah, bro, I can't do it. What the I cannot do this, bro. You're loud as heck. Nah, bro, I'm quitting this shit. I'm sorry.